Sam wanted to show me these custom OTIS Series 1s, but... Oh, well.
We're a little too late. At least Steve was. Want to get a different one? Yeah, fine. Screw it.
Yeah, ERM. Or Dewhurst, whatever you prefer.
Weird. No, that's ERM. That's not Dewhurst.
Same thing.
Dewhurst uses different keys. That's ERM. Actually?
Could be Dupar, ERM, Dewhurst, all the same thing.
Well, that was an ERM key switch in the lobby. I think I forgot something in the car. Hmm.
Twenty-fourth floor.
This is that new phone thing with the yes no. Is that an Otis key switch? Yes, it is.
Here's what the cab looks like.
Yeah, they redid the cab. Let's see here. Yeah, that was all redone.
This is just open.
Those are ERM.
Yeah. They were nice enough to write the keys on there.
That's definitely ERM.
Well, Ripperoni.
First floor. Main lobby.